Hello, friend. Good afternoon. I feel pleasure to welcome all of you on my new release book, A to Z of Business Growth. All of you know that the world is now suffering from. We don't have a verse like on what scenario world is suffering. Everybody, everyone, everybody, every businesses, every country, even a small islands, they all are suffering with the pandemic. They all want to grow, but some type of fresh oxygen is needed. World now come to a certain point. There the restrictions again is movement restriction, social distancing. That type of restrictions are hampering our growth, and there a lifeline comes in the short form of internet. So I thought that based on whatever I have experienced and all, I thought that I would write a book, A to Z of business growth. This book is as per my opinion, I tried to cover up medium business, small businesses, and big business. So this book can be helpful to everyone. Very small book for the businesses, a growth book. Again, on this Super Sunday, I am welcoming all of you to my book read A to Z of business growth. Here, writer himself is talking about his book. Thank you for joining. Be with me. Now, with your permission, I can I want to share the screen so that I can explain in a much better way how what the book and what the idea behind writing this book and what the future progression. With your due permission, now I am sharing the screen. Be with me. Welcome to the A to Z of business growth world. A to Z of business growth. I am Sudesh Saxena, and again I want to reiterate, re-emphasize. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. Margaret Fuller rightly said that the person who read have capacity to lead. A to Z of business growth. This book have 15 chapters, 16 annexures, 39 FAQs. This different forum people have asked me, and I have mentioned there the answers based on the my wisdom, based on the discussion with the persons. Because sometimes in flow of writing, we are not able to write the particular queries we can't address, but under the FAQ, we can write specifically particular questions. So I've covered up 39 scenarios in FAQ, 20 figures. With virtual memory, visual memory makes us better learner. So make it more memorable. I have means written and covered up 36, 39 FAQs, 20 figures. All this makes the book very interesting. I tried to make it more interesting, more lively. So infusion of the figures, infusion of the FAQs and lectures based on each situation. I think 15 chapters and 39 FAQs means every chapter have a 2 FAQ type of average. And 16 annexures means Every chapter have one specific connections for there. Makes more lively, more interpreting. Who can get help from this book? Business owners, because they are always struggling for the growth. So I write specifically for them. Business owners can discuss their theories, find out what's the struggle they are at, which point, which stage they are there. They can. Executives, they need to answer the business for fellows. So executives can found this book useful. Students, I have mentioned different theories. So students can get help and relate their theory and academia with investors. Through different business models, which I have discussed in this, investors can realize which business is going to grow, at what stage. Is it good bet for invest money or not? And how they can drive the growth in their own investment, in which portfolio they have invested. So this book is very, very, I am recommending being an investor, if you read this book, it will be eye-opening for you. Common book. The ultimate customer, whom we are always serving. They at least they should know what type of products, what type of companies they are dealing with. They have a better understanding. Informed customer is a empowered customer, loyal customer. So they will know the business strategies and that will be helpful for them. Aspiring entrepreneurs. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, we want to build entrepreneurs, a chain of entrepreneurs. This book will help them to understand the business ecosystem where they can enter rightly. If you have a knowledge of an ecosystem, it will be a win-win for you. So I suggest you, for as a author, must read this book. If you are going to build a business, if you have a running business, if you are planning to build a business, must read this book. Who am I? Friends, I am author of this book, Swadesh Ke Saxena. My education is law and then MBA. I have more than 16 years of experience of working with corporate, government, and NGOs. 5 years of entrepreneurship experience. Experience of supporting startups, small and medium-sized businesses. I started my enterprise at very early age and realized that to survive in a business world, it needed high level of skill set. Business world, we want to survive, we needed high level of skill set, big motivation, resources, and a vision. So at that my early age, I was lacking. That's why I decided to pursue my education. Where? Because I was just facing the problems that like I think that the legal education can help me. So I pursued the law and then realized that MBA can help me. So I did my MBA. So now entrepreneurship, job, education, so I realized that it's the right time to write the book. I started my enterprise. Okay. To equip my career, I did law and then MBA. After I got college experience. Now when world is struggling for growth, I am on a mission to help businesses to grow. My mission is to help entrepreneurs, to businesses to acquire growth. In this difficult time, helping people to grow their business is my vision. I am envisaging more than 1,000 businesses by the end of 20. I'm going to help. But I'm praying that 2020 should end very as soon as possible. There's a lot of damage has been done to humanity. So it should end. The new breath is coming. We are hoping. Why book A to Z of business growth? There is no as such book in the market. I have studied and researched a lot, which can help the businesses man in the current environment. Small and medium businesses have a limited resources but maximum need to growth. They don't have any guidance for that. Without growth, no equity. If all are growing, equity will happen. Sorry, some are growing, equity doesn't going to happen. Inequality exists. So in lockdown, growth suffers a lot. Growth is life. In tough time, every second business on earth has suffered. It's my estimate. For example, why this book is needed. A small restaurant want to grow with their current setup, but not able to strategize for offline or online. Now, how is that is restaurant can grow? They have a limited resources, limited capacity. Are they going to hire any digital marketing agency or a business consultant? I think no. This book going to help them. How they can build their online portfolio, how they can go for offline. Sorry. For example, during lockdown, people are not able to visit showroom. But due to work from home, they needed office furniture. How business can fulfill their demand? Because most of the furniture market is unorganized. They can't approach you through the online channel. And due to lockdown, we are not able to come outside. And it's not advisable to visit outside. Then how? There might be a channel. What type of channel? With communication strategy. Just click the photo on the WhatsApp, then send. Build your small web page and flourish in the world. That type of business strategy. Who's going to guide? A small carpenter is sitting book. This book is now going to cover. I am going more deeper about introduction. 15 chapters are there. You might know which chapters are covering. Introduction, understanding business, understanding the growth. Why no growth? Some are not growing. Why? I've discussed in detail about it. My favorite chapter is business life cycle. Which life stage I am standing, my business is standing. This book will guide you. You will evaluate that at what stage you are standing and what appropriate medicine or appropriate strategy is required for your business growth. So, business life cycle, formation and execution of growth strategies. Listen, formation and execution. None of the book can tell you about that. Capital raising. How to raise capital. If you know raising capital, you can cross the business ladder. Customer as a growth partner. Customers are not a customer. They are our growth partner. How to make them growth partner? First, visualize them as a growth partner and then ensure their cooperation. This book going to tell you. Ensuring smooth growth. Sometimes very topsy-turvy growth. Some businesses are suffering. Shoo, shoo, just like 2020. No. Right business runs on the highway. Smooth growth. This our business going to tell you. Ensuring smooth growth. This book read, you will know what are the factors which can make your journey topsy-turvy. Balance that. Measuring growth. If you measure, you can achieve. Risk identification and mitigation. How you identify the risk and how you curtail that risk. Your business is going to tell you. This book going to tell you what are the risks. Very specifically means when during my book discussion, when I was just talking with one CEO, he was saying that the very beautifully the main task of that CEO told me that is 80% time goes to check the risk. So I've discussed more than 20-25 CEOs about how they control the risk, how they look for the visioning of the transferring their vision for the growth. That is I have mentioned in the book. Marketing. Marketing is the crux of the business. You must read this book in the change environment when the fusion of offline and online is happening. Balanced what are the marketing tricks which can double your revenue. If you are going to hire any marketing agency, what you need to discuss about, what are terms and conditions on which you can rely on that. Selection of marketing is that type of things will going to definitely help you. Keys to unlock business growth. What are the keys which can unlock your business growth? Because right key help us open the lock. So growth opening through right key. Strategies to make growth simple. I have seen many executives when they are growing, many businesses they are growing, they make it so complicated and make a mess of their business. I am suggesting you in this book, I have mentioned that how you can make your business very simple. Automation, outsourcing, crowd, crowdsourcing. These may be the options. But which option is going to suit your business based on your life cycle, matching business strategy, visioning, employees' strengths, and number of factors which you can mix it up after reading book. How to apply these theories there. Sustainable growth model. All world is talking about sustainability. Everybody is saying the global warming. There's a lot of restrictions putting on the businesses. That how we can achieve a sustainable business growth model. That should be the responsible business model, and informed customers are going to love your product if you are advocating the sustainability. Business book A to Z of business is going to guide you about growth scenario. In this book, I have discussed about the growth scenario. Why some businesses are not going. I've discussed in detail about a lot of discussion I have conducted with many agencies. I still remember that one small shopkeeper. He impressed me a lot, and till today, whenever I start discussing about this, I still remember his face. He told me, be sitting in this small shop's counter, he explained me very beautifully about his vision. He told me he started from the street and now he's sitting in. He have a vision in down the line 5 years. He is envisaging that he may open 5 to 6 stores. Who is going to operate and what will be the inventory model? What will be the business model? It's basically within 5 to 10 minutes discussion. He told me. I immediately think that the clarity of thoughts, clarity of strategies, definitely going to help. So the business I've discussed why some businesses are not growing and why some businesses are growing very fast. That fellow have a clarity, have a strategy, have a 24 into 7 thinking about that, and think about another person who is eat, drink, and marry and running the businesses, who is going to grow. So this way, there are two sides of coin: growing business, non-growing business, growing business, non-growing business. How can we grow our business? These three scenarios I am going to discuss in detail about in this book. My business is not growing, business is growing, and how I can grow my business. These things are mentioned and discussed beautifully. Change is inevitable, but growth is optional. I am sitting, my life is going to, power bill is going to come in. But are we using for this? Somebody is watching Netflix and somebody is listening my workshop. Who's going to grow? So you decide which is your path and which is going to help you. The growth is optional, but change is business. Just imagine business running on a highway. This is the car. Steering wheel are policies and mission and vision. Engine is business model technology. Strategies, wheels, products are wheels. Market capital, four wheels are strategy, product, market capital. Rear views are senior management, front views. These are the external environment. The car is running smoothly. Fuel, the customer. This way, I have explained the business how by fitting all the parameters, your car should smoothly run on the business growth highway. Shh. Build your runway and be ready for the takeoff. How to choose most fit growth model for your business. This book will tell you about most fit growth model based on your business life cycle, your capital, strategy, market competition. How to avoid risk. When you know about the risk, you have a simple strategy to avoid. How to build a strong team. Individually, persons can win a match, but series winning, marathon winning, you needed a team. Business is a marathon. Key stakeholders management. How you are going to manage key stakeholders? The key who comes under the key stakeholders? I have explained very beautifully in this book, and how you are going to manage them. In modern advanced communication technology, when news are in the tips of a finger, you come outside of the room and share something. In a meantime, inside the room news will go to the 1,000 kilometers. In this world, how you manage your stakeholder success stories. Manufacturing, trading, services. Three types of businesses where the sweet spot and hybrid model. Business life cycle. This book have covered all startup stage, growth stage, expansion stage, maturity stage, declining stage. If you know about declining stage, you can linger on your declining stage. Maturity stage, you can perform much better. If you know that my business is running on maturity stage, what are the growth drivers which can drive your business? This book is going to tell you about that. Yeah. By the end of the session, we are going to discuss the questions. Not worry about. Yeah, we have ample time. Yeah. Right on the my chat box. I will take a one by one each question. ANSOP matrix, market penetration, product development, diversification, and market development. On four parameters, how you can approach your growth. Book is going to explain. You're entering market, developing any product, or differentiate yourself, or developing a new market for that product. This way, you can scale your business. Success of business growth is a success as a systematic process. I always say you business growth is a systematic process. Step one seems to be a bit difficult, but when you enter into the step one, step two become easy. Step three become just make up a mind for the business growth, develop a strategy, rock. That's the this business book says you. Yes, this book is available on Amazon. You can buy it. But going towards the sustainability, I'm saying you buy a digital copy in Kindle Unlimited is freely available. You can take advantage of that. This book is definitely going to help you. You can lend these books to your friends, family, colleagues. This book is going to definitely help your business growth. Open forum now is going to discuss. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Nishant is written. Yes. Yeah. If you have a multiple business, I completely agree that multiple business and you want to grow simultaneously, for that you need to adopt a strategic business unit model based on your product and how you are related, interrelated multiple business. Otherwise, normally it's a process that SBU formation and run each business like a SBU. Strategic business model unit SBU. Yes, Raj. Okay, definitely. I'm saying you, there are, if you want to grow your business, if you have a deep pocket, go for inorganic growth. Deep pocket, less time, go for inorganic growth. If you have a normal profit, normal pockets, and want to grow normal, go for organic growth. Under the organic, you may penetrate your product horizontally or vertically by adding some product. Or for inorganic growth, you can acquire some company. Like mostly this happens in the IT when they have a deep pocket, we acquire any company. So that all loyal customers they approach acquire any company or merge with someone bigger, smaller, so that you can acquire it. Yes, yes, Nishi. This book is available on Amazon. This book is available on Kindle. Physically, I am discouraging. Why waste the natural resource? Digitally, you will carry always with you in Kindle. You can read it on your mobile and share with your friends. Whenever you want to quote it, you can quote it. Yes, I have written two more books on that. How to build a profitable startup. It's for specifically for entrepreneurs or persons who are willing to start. Circular economy for and I am firm believer on the sustainability and recycling of the products. So I say use circular economy for everyone. This book I have read. This is my first book, and then second is a startup book. You can follow me on digitalswadesh.com for pre-booking or booking with the right info at the rate digitalswadesh.com. Follow me Twitter or Instagram Super Swadesh. Very simple Super Swadesh. I will be available there. Yes. Any more questions? I'm very thankful to all of you for joining and making my this book more lively. This event is more lively, and I request you to support my book. Purchase this book, read this book, and write a good comment on that, good review, and write to me if any query about this, or if you want to discuss about this book. If you're going to facing any business problem, write to me. I will be more than happy to assist you. And my next edition, if your query is up to the mark and helping for the businesses, I am going to in FAQ check. Thank you, friends, for making this event more lively. My Sunday, as a super Sunday, you made it. Thank you, thank you. And I request you must buy this book and in this vacation. You must read this book. This will rock your business. Stay tuned. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.